Hello to everyone. I'm Angelica Wilma Corral Sobsemea, and these are the reasons why you should hire me. First off, I'm smart. I have travel smarts, book smarts, and street smarts. Second, I live a healthy lifestyle. I make it a point to eat the right food at the right amount and to exercise every week. During my high school and college years, I used to be a part of the varsity of our basketball team. Third, I am flexible, yet not the gymnastic type, but the type wherein I could adapt to any situation or environment that could be thrown at me. Fourth, I am a college graduate of the Lasal College of St. Benilde. I graduated in the course of Bachelor of Arts, major in Consular and Diplomatic Affairs. I have attained my master's degree in economics at the Lasal University, Manila. So if you have further inquiries or questions, please refer to the contact information that will be presented at the end of this presentation. I am thankful for your time, and I hope you have a good day.